Hello dear student, welcome to my channel Math from Basic. Practice now 7. We have to solve it. Use a calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer correct to 4 decimal places where necessary. Our answer and our data should be you should have 4 decimal places if the number is large enough. So for 23 we have to find square of 23. So you will write here 23 in your calculator, because he has asked us that use calculator here, and then you will press x square, and then you will press answer key, and this is the answer key. You will find the answer 529. So I have written 529 instead of 23 square. Now you will find square root of 2025. So write square root first by pressing square root key, then write 2025. Now press answer key, you will get 45. So 45 is here. Now minus 7 cube, you will find the cube by writing 7 3 times, because 7 has power 3. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So you will find the answer 343 by pressing answer key, this one. Now add these two, you will get 574, and minus 343 will remain same. Now from 574 you will subtract minus 343, you will get 231, which is the required answer. Now see B part. 3 square of 3, you will find 3 square of 3. So you will write 3, and then you will press x square. You will get the answer by pressing answer key, that is 9 here. Then 20 under root. For 20 under root you will press under root first, then press 20, and then press answer, that is 4.47213. As the number are smaller after 4 decimal places, so you will write 4 decimal places here, 4.4721. If the number will be greater than 5 here, then you will also write the number, and then you will round off that number. Otherwise, if the numbers are smaller than 5, then you can write the number as such, as our question is saying that we should write 4 decimal places after decimal point. Now 5 cube, we have to find 5 cube. So you will write 5 3 times, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, then press answer key, you will get 125 here. Now this minus sign is here. You will find 20 cube root of 2013. So write press shift key, then press cube root sign. In this way you will get cube root of 2013. Let me see. First press shift key, then press cube root key is square root key, second function is cube root. So you will press square root key after pressing shift, then you will write 2013, which is the number. Now you will press answer. The answer is 12.62644985, because the numbers after decimal places are greater than 5. So you will write greater number than 4 decimal places. So I have written here 6 digit after decimal place, after decimal point. So you will round off these numbers. 9 will be neglected. After dropping 9, this 4 will become 5, because 9 is greater than 5. So you will increase 4 by 1 unit, and after increasing this 5, after removing this 5, you will increase 4 by 1 unit and it will become 5. So there are 4 digits after decimal point, 1 2 3 4. Now you can write this number here. Now you will multiply these two numbers with the help of calculator. Let me show you. Write 9 multiply by 4.4721. 4721. You will get the answer by pressing answer key, that is 40.2489, which is written here 40.2489, and in the denominator you will subtract 12.6265 from 125 and you will get 11.3735. Now you will divide this number by this number and you will get this answer. And because our question is that we should have 4 digit after decimal point, so remove 7 and drop 7, because 7 is greater than 5, so 1 will become 2. 1 will increase by 1 unit and it will become 2. Now there are 4 digit after decimal point, which is our required answer. Now see its second part. Question number 2. The area of a square poster is 987 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of the poster, leaving your answer correct to 1 decimal place. You know that this is a square poster. It is a square shape because it has all of its sides are equal in length. Therefore I have written these L, L, L and L. So area of a square poster is 987 centimeter square. This whole place is called area of this square poster. If we want to find its area, we will apply the formula of area. We will multiply any two length to find its area. So area is equal to L multiplied by L. If we multiply these two lengths or these two lengths or any these two lengths, you will get the area of this whole field. So L multiplied by L is the formula of area. So L multiplied by L will become L square, and area is given here 987. I have written 987 for our area. Now you know that for square, to remove square, we have to take its inverse, and that the inverse is called square root. So we will take square root on both sides. After taking square root, this 2 will be cancelled by square root sign, and 987, the square root of 987 will be taken with the help of calculator, because if we try to use prime factorization method, we can't get its pair number of prime factors. So we can't find we can't find its square root by prime factorization. Now we will find the square root by pressing square root sign and then writing 987 under the square root sign and then pressing answer. You will get 3142. You will get 31416, and the number is too much longer, but I have written to some extent because he has asked us to find the number up to 1 decimal place. Therefore I have written 3 decimal plate according to estimation, and where the 6 was greater than 5, therefore I took 6 as my start. So after removing 6, you will, after dropping 6, this 1 will become 2 and it will become 3142. Then if you want to remove this 2, it will become 4. So 31.4 centimeter is the length of one side, and every side is equal in length, so each side has length of 31.4 centimeter. Now if you want to find its area, its perimeter, as we have find out its length, now we can find its area, sorry, its perimeter. So perimeter, formula for perimeter, we can draw its formula, because it's all the exposed surface have L, L, L and L, because all the exposed surface have same length. So you will write its length 4 times, because there are 4 sides of this square, and so you will write 4 lengths, and you will add these 1L, 1L, 1L and 1L. If we add all the 4 L's, we will get 4L, and this 4 will remain same, while L is equal to 31.42. I have written this length because uh, after dropping 6 we have got 2 here. Now if you multiply these two, you will get answer up to 2 decimal place, and if you drop this 8, because 8 is greater than 5, so 6 will be increased by 1 unit, and it will become 125.7 centimeter, which is the required answer. I think you are understanding my explanation, and you will like my video, and you will subscribe my channel to support me. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.